In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to simultaneously transfer your signal on both screen. As you can see right now, I'm only displaying the signal right here only on my monitor screen, and I want to display the signal on both screen. Now in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to correctly adjust your HDMI setting so that it display on both screen. So in this video, you can be able to know how to turn it on and off using the Sony camera. Now this is the Sony ZVE1, which work well on any other Sony camera which have the same menu system, the new menu system. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys. So first you need to do is go in the menu, and then you're going to scroll down to where you see this briefcase right here. Then you're going to go over, and then you're going to go down to where you see external output. As you can see right there, you go over to HDMI. And as you can see, you go over to HDMI info display. As you can see right now, my HDMI info display is on. So what you want to do right here is to go over and turn that off. So as you can see, that's how we display on both screen right there. So ensure that the HDMI display is off. Now toggle this on or off. You can always go in this menu right here and turn it off. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this.